Hi, it's Nick from Hobby Electronics, and today I've been learning how to use the DF Player MP3 player module. Here I have the module connected to a speaker. This is powered by a 3.3 volt power supply. I also have a button and resistor which is used to play and pause the files on the module. To use your own MP3 files, copy them to a micro SD card and insert it into the module. You'll then be able to control the playback of the tracks and address them individually by using resistors of different values connected to one of the input pins. I purchased the module for only a couple of dollars, and I think it's a really simple solution requiring minimal additional components and would be great for embedding into cosplay. Subscribe to be notified when the full project video is released.